Hi, my name is Marley from First Drive, and today we're going to assemble our Slingshot. Let's get started. First, we're going to start off with the hardest part of the car, which is the rear spring, which is located over here. To do so, you need a wrench, extension, and a 15mm socket. Alright, to the spring we have two sides. It's easier if you keep the car like this, or you can flip it over however you suggest you should do it, but me, I do it sitting on the right side. So this is the bigger side, it goes to the bottom. The smaller side goes to the top. Alright, I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but I flipped the car upside down to get this screw in because it's kind of like much more easier. And I forgot to tell you guys that this is the longer screw and this is the smaller screw that goes to the top of the car. And with this right here, you're not gonna be able to fit a tool here, so you can just like move it with your finger, tight as you could, and you should be all right. Next, we're gonna start with our wheels. This is our front wheel, cause like more like a flat surface going on. And this is our back wheel with like a gear pattern, which locks right into the motor. Next, we're gonna put on the rear wheels. Washer, flat side. Kind of use your needle head pliers or even a flathead. Do this. There you go. Next, we have our hubcap. Has 4 tabs. You also see where the 4 tabs goes at. Line them up. You hear it snap? There you go. Do our front wheel. Remember I told you about the flat side? This one's a little different. Put the washer first, make sure the front is like the round part is facing the back and the flat side is facing your wheel. And then you add another washer, flat side. Your 4 tabs.
Now we're going to talk about the internals of the car. Now the easy way is this. When you get the car, you just get this one red cable, you plug it into the battery, and you power on your car. That's all you have to do. Now we're at least going to also talk to you about the rest of the internals of the car. We have the battery over here, the RC controllers over here, and these 2 cables that go to your motors. So over here you have a red and black cable. Now from the red cable, it's going to lead to the fuse. From the fuse, it's going to connect to the RC controller right over here. This is where the power for the RC controller comes in. Now the second port over here is the power output for both of the motors that are in the rear. They're going to come over here and they're going to connect to these wires over here. It doesn't really matter which one they connect to. And this last brown and blue wire over here This connects to your power steering motor. So if your car is not turning with the remote control, there's something wrong with this wire over here. Now the rest of these wires will control things such as your trumpet sounds and your MP3s. That is all.
Next, we're going to start our wheel. First, we're going to connect our power. This is for the trumpet sounds and things like that. Horn. Kind of like took this in. Sometimes when you connect your wheel, it's like the bottom axle, like a little hook. You might want to give it a little push so you can see actually your hole, or sometimes it might be up too high. And we also have a star panel for the screw side with a nut. Put that in. And screw it on there. Next, we're gonna start rear view mirrors. Got 2 tabs. Stick them in there. Listen for the snap. Sometimes it don't snap. There it is. That's the snap you want to hear, guys. Next, we're gonna start our windshield. Also has 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs lined over here. Hear the snap? That's what you're looking for. That's how you know it's locked and secure. Next, we're gonna put our seat in. As you do that, screw your screws in. I already have my screws sitting here. That's why you guys don't see it. Next, we're gonna start our seat trim. Make sure when you're installing it, this side is the outside of it. Like this shows the inside of it, you won't see that. And also, this is longer than this side. You gotta pay that like a little bit of attention. If you're gonna see it when you got it in your hand. And this side always on the outside. So we're gonna install our license plate. It comes with 2 screws. It looks like this. The smaller screws that comes with the car. Next, we're gonna pair our Bluetooth into the car. To install the Bluetooth, we gotta hold down, not really hold it down, press it until
Bluetooth is on.
Then look for it, which is gonna be called BT01. Click it. It's gonna say Bluetooth connected.
Bluetooth connected.
As you can see as of right now, our controller is not working. You press any button, you have to pair the remote first. And to pair the remote, you hold the up and down button until our lights start flashing. Start the car. And also, this is our charger port. This is where your charger goes at. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you need any more questions or help, you can go to our website, ridefirstdrive.com. Thank you for watching.